Okay. Good afternoon, everybody. Just here to talk to you a little bit about my awesome new listing that's located at 112 West 2nd Street, Unit E in Everson, Washington. By the way, we just did a $10,000 price change on it just yesterday. So please, consider this one and come take a look at it when you get a minute, or let me know if you have any questions. But here we are. We are in the living room just inside the entryway from just outside the front of the building. And you can see it's got, it's got an open living concept with plenty of room. This is a sectional couch, and it's right behind the covered front porch as well. So it's kind of set up like a split living room. Obviously could be reconfigured. They're using the wall by the fireplace as their TV wall. But big long wall. This is a corner unit, so it's down at the very end, unit number E. And then you have a coat closet just to the left. And as you move through the hallway here, you're going to go right into the kitchen with a dining area, which is got an eating bar and kind of a spacious, like U-shaped kitchen, plenty of storage up and below, and a nice pantry to store all your dry goods and such. And outside is a great little area that has a walkway that goes between the two buildings, where there is a deeded 2-car detached garage that goes with the unit. Plenty of room for some plants and some things like that, a little bench, and a great little outdoor space. One of the highlights of this complex is the association takes care of all of the common area maintenance for the unit owners. So the landscaping and all that is done, but you're welcome to personalize with like your own plants and flowers and such. So this has 2 bedrooms, and they are sort of down this other hallway here. So we're working our way towards that. So this bedroom's currently set up as an office. It has a window, and it's just right off the dining room. And then there is a closet to the right there as you exit the bedroom into the hallway. This bedroom enjoys to have a full bath right next to it. So this would be like your guest bath, or your second bath for another occupant. And then the closet to the right holds the washer and dryer. And then the systems and utility closets are the ones that are on the left right here. So you have a linen closet a little bit further down, and at the end is the master bedroom, and it has double closets. Yep, a big picture window goes out towards the street, and then good sized bed wall. And then the 3/4 bath for the master bath with a shower is right in here. And so that's our 2-bedroom, 1 3/4 bath, Everson, Washington condominium unit, listed at $329,000, and it is FHA and VA approved. Thanks for checking us out.